And how are you? Today presentation the software. The software is a affiliate one. Affiliate one. This is a software name. Oh friend, I am presentation affiliate software. This is a most usable software. I am also use the software. The software is a normal use welcome affiliate for funnel, affiliate person, email marketing shortcut, affiliate one of traffic, affiliate bonus. Also see this affiliate bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 5. This is affiliate upgrade support all the affiliate one software. I have also used this software. It's making us 20,767.84 daily passive. Here, how can response? Friend C.
In and dollars every day to making $2,767.84 in daily commissions earned. All it takes is just a few moments to set up each morning. Then my entire job is to just refresh my account and see payments like this roll in. And the best part is, it has nothing to do with e-com, arbitrage, Facebook, SEO, YouTube, or crypto. None of those outdated methods. I'm not showing you this to brag, not at all. You see, just 2 years ago, I wasn't getting stupid cash-producing results like these. No. Like many of us, I worked at a minimum wage job and was struggling to make ends meet. You're taken away from important events and vacations from family and friends. You're just simply exhausted day in and day out. Y'all with me on that? See, like many of us, I was working 10 hours a day to achieve my boss's dreams, making him more and more money while I got paid peanuts. And I couldn't quit, too. I had to put food on the table for my family, I had a newborn son on the way, and had to figure out how to generate some extra cash for my family. But I knew there must be a better way. So I started doing what I do best. Looking up making money online. I tried everything: e-com, crypto, Facebook marketing, SEO, YouTube, arbitrage, everything. I kept buying everything I could get my hands on with nothing to show for it. My bank account was depleting and my credit cards were maxing out. I got tired of spending money on bogus programs filled with fake promises. So I researched how expert marketers were actually making massive amounts of wealth. I was amazed at how simple this one process was. I was essentially able to use what I found and develop a newbie-friendly system that started quickly generating $100 a day, $200 a day. Then over the next 30 days, I was generating $1,000 to $2,000 per day in commissions earned from just this one simple process. I was finally able to sit down with my wife and we agreed that it was time to hand.
So friend, what you thinking? Just click now buy button. Got install access now, or more information about my link, description link, video description link. So this is a risk free. Friend, how to use this software, also more information about your computer or mobile screen or laptop screen. See, to make money online with a little space time I look up a internet for solution like you are doing right now. Friend, what you think? Just click the buy button. 30-day money back guarantee, so risk free. Friend, see your computer screen or mobile screen or laptop screen. More and more information about affiliate one's case study. You will discover the exchange step to took a make a 5 finger month. How can replace it? Affiliate one bonus. See affiliate bonus got free bonus. Bonus number 1, affiliate 1 generated approval. Bonus 2, affiliate 1 quick final commission method. Affiliate 3 bonus, affiliate 1 funnel. Bonus 4, affiliate 1 3-day follow up skips. So what do you think? Just click the access now, because 30-day money back guarantee, so risk free. Got install access now. More and more than information. See. Thank you friend, thank you for watching my video, and more information about software review. See more information. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a nice day.